March 4th, 1993 blizzard, before creation or BC. 30 years, March 4th blizzard, 23 or 24 before creator BC. Yes, it is. Jesus' younger brother. Battle of the Heavens happened. Yes, it is. I had to switch the bridges in Israel and Egypt. 18.7 billion years worth of Titans caught to 65,000 million years worth of Titans caught. It's not a joke. I speak the unspoken messages. I don't know who to talk to about it. Yes, I do. I do the reborn thing. Jesus comes back. Rizzy comes back. Risen comes back on Christmas. I already have Jesus washed. And Mother Earth, Mother Mary. Everyone thinks I'm crazy. But they're unspoken with me, so it doesn't get worse.